Hello there, very good afternoon to you. Well, for those of us going to be out and about this week, it's going to become a little bit more mobile. By that I mean weather systems are going to be attacking us from the Atlantic, coming in, the low pressure moving in quite quickly and then steering its way away to the north and the east. At the same time, it's going to bring some fresher winds for time and some rain to many areas, but I think mostly it's going to affect the north and western side there of the British Isles. And we end the week very much as we started, with high pressure holding on across many central and southern regions. Now that's the way we look at the present time. Quite a bit of cloud across the country, one weather front there. That's bringing some problems with thunderstorms across many parts of the country. This is where they're showing up at the present time, particularly through northwest Scotland, down into northwest England and across through into northwestern parts of Wales. I think this afternoon, as they gradually move their way eastwards, we're going to find some heavy falls in places, bringing some very gusty winds and perhaps a risk of some very localised flooding. Watch out for that. Be prepared for those black bottom thunderclouds. They will become rather more widespread through the afternoon. Then we're going to find fresher weather coming in across Northern Ireland and into the western fringes as we go through into this evening. Not surprisingly, a warm, sultry afternoon in many areas, up to 31 degrees. Down in the south and east, sticky and very hot. Tonight staying pretty warm as well. Clearer skies across most of the country as those thundery bursts work their way away to the north and the east. Let's get back to the rest of the week then. Well, low pressure brings the first weather system in on Monday. That's going to move fairly quickly across the country, but then linger over the southern parts of the country as we head through into Tuesday. So it means not a bad start on Monday, dry, sunny across most of the country, and then the rain working in across Ireland and in through to these western areas as we go through into the middle part of the day. I think for many eastern counties and down into the southeast it will stay dry with sunshine right through until the evening time. On Tuesday, that rain, the band of rain, weakening as it works its way southeastwards now, probably no more than a few showers as it crosses the southern and eastern and central parts of England during Tuesday, followed by brighter weather behind it, but still some showers packing in over northwest Scotland and through into Northern Ireland, maybe the odd thundery rumble up there as well. Now, as we get into the middle part of the week, that front nudges away, high pressure building up for a while across the country, and the next weather system just flirting with the far north and west as we go through there into Friday. So Wednesday, not too bad a day, a little bit of patchy rain around to start the day in the southern and central parts of England there. Brightening up in the afternoon, I think a nice midweek break, perhaps for a picnic or a barbecue. To the north and west though, one or two showers rattling in there, and certainly a fresher feel as we go through to the midweek. On Thursday, for most of us, well, it's really a dry, sunny story, maybe some early mist to start the day. One or two showers across the northern parts of Scotland, through maybe into Northern Ireland. They're probably going to dry up as the day wears on. And that very much leaves us with a nice end to the week for most of us. Dry, sunny, warm again in the south and east, but later on in the day, that cloud bringing patchy rain across into northwest Scotland and into Northern Ireland. Well, that's the forecast for the week ahead, whatever you're doing.
The country as we go through this week.